Laravel 11. Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 145 Laravel 11 HTML table tutorial Bootstrap, and this my part is a 3. www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my official website. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started, Apache and MySQLite. This is already started, and this is already run. Localhost PSP my admin. Inside this is a database name is a real estate underscore lara underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. Let's step by step. This is a project is open. This project is a D drive. Inside this XAMPP folder, inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's this directory inside the cmd open. cmd this successfully, this directory inside successfully working. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server. This is a fine, good working. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working, and this is a project is a latest version, and this project is already available. And this is route inside this web.php file open. And this is the same here copy. This is a copy and slash paste here. Successfully this is a form is available, and this is a form is available. Category controller inside this is available. This is a index function. This is a available index function, and this is a add more. This is a add more resource view, and this is a add more this file. And this is a file is available. This name add stock. This is a name. This name. This is a add more stock. Add more. This is a successfully this submit button, and this is all available. Let's new Bootstrap table is a implementation. First of all, this is a write down. This is a this 3 file is a implement. Otherwise, Bootstrap table is not working. Please write down this file. Let's step by step. Bootstrap table is a implementation. Let's form. This is a form. Inside this is a close. Inside this is a S5 and this is a file. Class empty file. Product list or otherwise category list, and inside table class table border data table t head tr ts. First is a ts, and the first is a id is a set. Second ts is a name. Please step by step write down. Next is a ts total price. ts total quantity. t body, and this is a tr td. The same here, copy and paste. This is the cut, and this is the paste here. Successfully set. This is 1 2 3 and 4, and this is a save file. And this is a pagination is a set pagination inside this set. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is available. This table is successfully available, and this table is implement. This is a category, same here copy, and this is a category name. This is not a product name. This simple way in this category list. This category save file in the inside this is available category. This create category, not a product. Successfully available. This is id is a 1. Name is a category apple. Price is a price is available. This is a multiple price implementation subcategory. Subcategory is a price available. This price is a multiple implement 1 inside this is a 2 is a set in this quantity as it is 9. Same here, implementation, the paste here in the second. This is a mi quantity no, and this is a 10. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this table is a working fine. This is a Bootstrap table is a working good. Step by step write down. And this is a controller is already implementation. Inside this already implementation, otherwise not working. Please write down. This is all good. This is a table is a Bootstrap table is a set only simple way. This is a table class is a this table class inside this is a available. This is a compulsory to file is a implementation, and this is a controller. This controller is a please write down in this index function. This is a category controller. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution code. We are here to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available. And this is follow this my Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.